How to request a balance transfer on the Chase app. First things first is I won't be able to show you directly from the application due to security purposes. Now open up your Chase application and ensure that you're currently running the latest version of app. Log in using your username and password, and then just simply choose on the specific credit card of which you would like to request a balance transfer with. Transferring balance in Chase app is very easy. All I have to do is to input these specific credentials where you would like the specific balance to be transferred, like the account number, the name of the account holder, and so on and so forth. Input the specific amount if it's going to be the whole amount that you would like to request a transfer with, and then in the end of the completion, you should receive a receipt from the email address associated with your Chase application. That's it. That's how you request a balance transfer in the Chase app.